Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. This is one incredible Abutilon or flowering maple. It's called Abutilon Thompsonii. It's a member of the hibiscus family. They come from South America, and the hummingbirds are nuts about these flowers. So you get that beautiful orange color with these yellow variegated leaves. Oh la la, it's really beautiful. Unfortunately, this guy is very borderline hardy. If you live down by the ocean or something, you probably could grow this in your garden outside. But I stick it in a pot and I throw it in the garage for the winter. Comes back every year. Usually I cut them down a ways to keep them thick so they don't get too leggy. And boy, I'll tell you though, it's hard to find a nicer plant than this. And what's really fun, we'll be out here eating dinner. Those hummingbirds are coming to these flowers right while we're eating dinner, enjoying a Brussels sprout casserole. No doubt about it, this is definitely my favorite plant.